This Notion template is a personal weekly planner is designed to streamline your week and boost your productivity. At the top of our template, you'll find a comprehensive to-do list suited to help manage and prioritize your tasks for each week. As we scroll down, we have a designated notes sections perfect for note-taking and brainstorming during meetings or projects. Next, we have a calendar integration that works in harmony with your to-do lists, helping you keep track of deadlines and key dates at a glance. There's even a dedicated space to include videos such as instructional tapes, webinars, or simply YouTube videos that inspire you or add value to your project. At the bottom of the template lies our progress tracker. This tool doesn't only keep a tab on your productive streak, but also gives you a visual representation of the headway you're making on your projects. You have control to duplicate and customize it to your liking. Simply hit the duplicate button located at the top of the screen, and you'll be guided to log in to your Notion